Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Locking in for another garage session with the 20 valve turbo, baby.
Can I have a go? What do you mean? Huh? What do you mean? Can I drive it? Well, out of here.
Welcome back to the channel. We're straight in with the rust and off to a bombshell, and we're just gonna get straight in and get this sorted. Is that more rust? As you can see there, some more rust. So there is a little bit of rust inside there, which I've scraped down. So it's just bare metal in there now, so we'll paint that up, and then I've got to attack this little section here, which does need welding on the bottom as well. So I've rubbed this bit down as well, and we're going to paint that up, and the front of the kind of frame there as well. So these are the bits that I've done last night, so obviously that looks much better now. It's all protected so it won't rust anymore, and it's got all the hammerite all over, so it's quite hard to get to that bit. I've done the first layer on this as well, so that looks much better now. Obviously it's like not perfect, but I'm going to second layer that, so that looks much better. And I've done this little bit over here as well. So yeah, yesterday I was in there till late. It was fucking freezing as well, just to get this bit done, because there was a little bit there and there. If you remember from the shots, I probably just put it before, and I got rid of all of that, rubbed it down, covered it. I used to do this side now, and then weld the bottom section. At some point I'm going to learn to weld soon, so I'll be able to do that. And I'm not sure if we're going to replace this oil rad and this altogether for like a mini motor. They're pretty sick. I think you can get a gold one that fits there, pretty snug. And yeah, and then we'll carry on with these sections now, these little bits.
Oh yeah, I used to know Quentin. He's a real jerky.
side section, which doesn't come out too bad, and then weld up the bottom and box it off. And then the first job, and tie it like here, and weld onto it, because if like that looks different out of there. And that bottom section is actually good, so tie it here. Weld onto that. This bit goes to that. We'll replace that whole section that I got. So it's just come in from the garage, got that little bit sorted, so it's freezing out there, but getting it done still, just cracking on with it, and got most of the front done now, just that little tiny bit to do, and then the front section, just got to weld that bit then, and I weld that box on the bottom of the right hand side, the left side's pretty good. So we'll do the left side, and then it just needs that other side on the far back right. We need to weld that, and then yeah, we're going to be done as well. So we'll go to just get that done, and it should be good. So stay tuned. So we're going to do this section here. Look at just take the spider webs off. Look, basically, no, that's so nice. Just this little bit here. That is what goes on this side. Actually not that much left to do on this bit now. Just literally like 4 bits. So I actually managed to get in there right next to the belt and get rid of some rust from where they previously must have used a bar to pry the engine and kind of get the cam belt off, and it took off the original paint and left just raw metal. So I managed to protect that, and I've done that little section there as well. So now I've sanded this down and it's nice and smooth, and I've got all the rust out. So we'll hit this little section now as well, and all of that bit looks much better. fucking got her, mate. Look at that, mate. It's not fucking genuine. We fucking got it, mate. Yeah, look at that, mate. That is fully connected, mate. That is. That's fucking alright, mate. Yeah, mate, let's try that out, mate. See how that goes. Alright. I love these handles. Like, oh, let's see if she actually warms up. It's 22 now, so we're running for like 20. See what happens. So it looks like it's actually going up. That's the. It hasn't ever got to like. Hasn't ever moved. So not the oil pressure, but the oil temperature. So it looks like it's going up a little bit. So we'll see what it looks like in like 15 minutes. So the last temperature gauge readings, that's on 40 basically, and that's just going over 50 now. And we've been running it for about 10-15 minutes. There must be something wrong with the temperature gauge because it's just been like that for ages. But the coolant, the oil coolant feels like it's got warmer. That one hasn't moved at all either. But oil pressure is high. It's good, it's 3 bar. It's been running for about 10 minutes now and it's just on that line. I don't know if it's different to, yeah, I don't know. Is that supposed to be good? Temperature? 30, is that 30? 40? It has gone up now actually, to be fair. Yo, welcome back to the channel. That was a dead end.
Where'd it go?
Out of here.